In today's video, we are going to show you how to add and configure the RSI indicator in Expert option to help you identify potential buy and sell opportunities. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and click the Trade Now. You will be forwarded to the Expert option dashboard. Now, in the chart, you just have to scroll down until you find the icon like a house or triangle icon beside the pencil icon, because this tool is going to be your indicators. If you click on it, all I have to do is scroll down until you find the RSI, which is the relative price strength measure. If you click on it, you have the ability to put a value for the period, for the level, and for the level percentage. You can also choose a different color if you wanted. Let's say, for example, I am going to choose this one, and for the plot color, it's going to be white, and then there you go. Basically, RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change in price movements. RSI is used to identify overbought or oversold conditions in the market, offering signals for potential trend reversals. Once you're happy with the values, I want you to click the confirm button. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to add RSI indicator in Expert option. Remember, no indicator guarantees successful trades, so always combine RSI with proper risk management and additional market analysis. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.